Today we are making a favorite southern fried chicken. Oh man, wait till you see how we hook this up. It is going to be so tasty. It'll bring back memories. You won't even say, my goodness, I just remember chicken being that good. Please support us on Patreon. Hi, I'm Chef Don McMillan. We're making a wonderful southern fried chicken with buttermilk. Hey, it's going to be delicious. Remember to subscribe. Also, you got to tap that button, that bell, make it ring. And also, you leave your comments. We want to talk about making fried chicken. We've got so many recipes to share, and we want you to be part of that, okay? Part of that excitement. So, let's go ahead and get started. What I have here is I'm going to make a little mixture with paprika, garlic powder, not garlic salt, okay? Because I am going to add some salt, all right? So just garlic powder and black pepper. Whoa. Now, let's go ahead and mix all of this together. Got my little fork here. And I'm going to season the chicken, and I'm going to season the flour. This is the way it was made years and years and years and years. Why am I using buttermilk? You may ask that. And I'm going to tell you, buttermilk has this wonderful acid in there that helps tenderize your chicken and just gives it so much flavor, okay? We actually let it set for about 2 hours after we're marinating it in the buttermilk. So that would be an important thing. So let's put some seasoning on our chicken. Take our tongs and make them happy. Distribute all those chicken flavors. And oh, good, so good. You can use many different types of chicken cuts or the whole chicken if you wish. I have here some chicken thighs. I just love chicken thighs. They're so flavorful, and of course they have a little more fat in them, but that's always been a favorite of mine. Even as a child, I love the thighs. Okay, now I've got the seasoning. They're pretty good. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover that now with some buttermilk. Now if you don't have buttermilk, not a problem. You can take regular milk, and for every cup of milk, you use a teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Let it set for a little while, and it'll work just the same. Oh, look at this. Yes, covered. Yeah, come on and get happy. Yep. All right, now I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and we're going to be ready to do some frying. Well, I put flour in my bag, and I put some of that seasoning mix in there. Okay, mix it up really good. And now I'm going to take our chicken, which has been setting for 2 hours in the refrigerator, chilling out with some buttermilk. Got some seasonings on there as well. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. So we're unwrapping our chicken. I have my oil heating up in the frying pan. As you can see, I put it about no more than an inch, and I have a thermometer. I want to check it. What am I checking for? 350 degrees. I want 350 degree temperature on my oil before I put the chicken in. And there it is. Okay, so now we'll take our tongs and then knock off any of the excess butter fat that we have on here. Just let it drain. Put it in there. Oh, so good. This is gonna be a tasty treat. Now, zip up your bag, push out some of the air that's in there, okay? And then shake, shake, shake. Just shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. My mom used to use a brown paper bag when she did this. And of course the southern fried chicken was so good. Yeah. All right, now we're going to take it out of the bag and we're going to place it skin side down into the hot oil. Be sure you use a tongue. You don't want to get any of the backsplash. As the chicken is cooking, some of the oil that's in the pan is going to actually change temperature. It's going to go down. So we're going to keep an eye on it, and we want to keep that oil at a pretty consistent temperature of 350 degrees. You don't want to overcrowd your pan either. Definitely don't want the oil flowing over. Okay. Let's check the temperature of the oil. And then we'll adjust it so it will maintain a constant temperature. Okay, good. And we're going to cook our chicken till it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. All right, look at this. 165 is what I'm looking for. Put your thermometer in there. And if you get 165, you're good to go on the chicken. And it's coming up. There it is. It is there. All right, we reached it. Let's go ahead and place that on our pan. This is your southern fried chicken. Now with southern fried chicken, I'd like to point out, because we put it into the buttermilk, your skin is going to be just a little more brown. I know when you do deep frying, it's a little bit more golden brown. This is a little more darker brown, and that's because of the lactic acid that is in the buttermilk, but the flavor is also in there as well. Here it is. This is our southern fried chicken made with buttermilk. It is so tasty, so delicious. You definitely want to subscribe, and you also want to ring our bell as well as to leave a comment. We're going to be tasting this in just a little bit, but remember always that when you get our fried chicken, it's what? It's simple
and just delicious.
Delicious, yes. Okay, but we only know that by what? Tasting it. Yes, we're going to taste it.
It's so crispy.
We get a lot of comments on this apron, and we'd like to send one to you. So Lori, my beautiful daughter-in-law, is going to tell you exactly how you can get one.
Thank you, Dad and Chef Don. Okay, I have an apron in my hand, just like the ones that we wear. And for every 50 subscribers, we're going to pick one person. If you'll comment that you've subscribed, we're going to pick one lucky person for every 50 to send you one of these aprons for free.
Yes.
Chef Don says he might even
autograph it for him. Yeah. And if you say pretty please, beautiful Giselle, Mom over here is going to put her signature on it. You don't really get that one. Yes, you do. So please subscribe. Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and also get back to you.
And don't forget, we've got a special guest in our videos. And do you know who it is?
Luigi.
Yeah, Luigi.
Luigi.
So don't forget to comment and let us know where Luigi is in the videos.
Yes.